morning. I am Rehana Begum. I am working as a secondary teacher in Panchayat Union Primary School, Avainagar, Dharmapuri district, Nallamali block. My education qualification is BSc Mathematics. I have 9 years of experience in my teaching profession. There are totally 126 students in my school. We have created a WhatsApp group for all classes in this corona pandemic situation. Every day the concerned teacher upload the subject-wise videos and worksheets for the follow-up work. We done corrections of the students' homework and send them immediately to know their achievement. My native district is Dharmapuri. Dharmapuri is one of the largest districts in Tamil Nadu. It is also known as Tagadur. The famous Sri Kalabhairava temple and the beautiful Ogenakal falls also situated in my district. Mr. Manikandan is the trainer of this ZIIEA training. In the first session, the trainer gave introduction about Sri Aurobindo Society and its contribution to education. The trainer explained about many innovative ideas of the selected teachers for their innovative ideas. In the second session, the trainer explained about NCF, National Curriculum Framework, alternative academic calendar, digital learning platforms like Zoom app, Google Meet app, Microsoft Team and Facebook. In the next session, the trainer explained about Innovation Padasala Curriculum Tool IPCT, then discussed about new education policy and incorporating skill levels of Bloom's taxonomy. He explained about MHRD and Innovative Padasala app. In the next section, the trainer taught an online model class using Bloom's taxonomy. The first lesson was My Unique Family from AAC board. In the next session, the trainer clearly explained the steps of teaching the lesson Mangoes Round the Year from the class 5th EVS subject from NCERT Primary Board. Concept map is used as innovative idea in this lesson. In the next session, Mr. Manikandan explained the teaching methods using Bloom's taxonomy. The lesson name was Wonder and Imagination from the class 2 from AAC board. The trainer clearly explained about online implementation method, classroom implementation method and parents guideline. Each session duration is 40 minutes. In the module 8, the trainer taught the teaching steps for the lesson reading of large numbers from 5th standard AAC board. In the next module, the trainer explained about understanding coronavirus. In this session, we discussed how to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and how to protect the students from the coronavirus in school and home. In the next session, the trainer taught the teaching method of the lesson Multicultural Approach to Food, 5th Standard English lesson from AAC theme-based board. In this session, the trainer explained very clearly the methods of teaching implementation through online classroom and parental guideline. Finally, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for giving this innovative and useful training during this corona situation. I also wish to express my gratitude to Mr. Manikandan for providing encouragement